Outside here to test one of the wireless microphone. This is the FiFINE, and this is the receiving. So this is the transmitter. This is the one that you put in your body. And I'm here outside here to test the sound quality and the distance. And today, I think today is really good to do because it's a little bit windy. So, all right, let me hook it and do it. About 10 feet right here. So I'm only like at 20 feet right now. I'm at 20 feet. Let's go further. It's about 30 feet right here. I'm on 30 feet. I'm at 30 feet right now. Okay, right here about 40 feet. So I'm on 40 feet. I'm on 40 feet right here. All the way to the back here. It's about 50 to 60 foot. I think probably 50 foot long. So the 50 foot right here. So, all right.